And now, your ABC6 Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Jeff Denoyer.
A lot like the weather, that's pretty cool. Temperatures outside, a little chilly this morning. Getting up, it was like 34, 35, 38. Hike, it was chilly. But by the afternoon, we got up into the 50s and it feels good. Lots of blue sky today, just a few passing clouds at times, and a little bit of a breeze, too, out of the southwest, about 10 to 15 miles per hour. Temperatures running about 5 to 10 degrees below where they should be for this time of year. So on the cool side with a temperature of 53 in Smithfield, 54 in Westport, and 53 in Newport. Satellite shows a lot of clouds still to our east. You got this big picture window of sunshine. And then back off to the west, there's more cloud cover. And I'll tell you how close this could have been to being just a really stinky week with clouds and showers. This low pressure is just kind of spinning around near Toronto, and it's not part of the main flow, so it's kind of lost and just kind of wobbles around. What it's doing is not only is it wrapping around rainfall, but on the colder back half of the low, it's wrapping around some snow. Now, we would probably not have had any snow with this, but if this low pressure had set up shop right about here, say, and spun around, that would have been just cloudy and showery. We would have had a prolonged period of very gloomy weather. But because this low pressure is too far to our west, we're allowed to squeeze out a little sunshine in between systems, and that's why it's worked out so nicely for today. So another chilly night tonight. Back to around 40, maybe not quite as cold as last night with some 32s and 33s mixed in last night, but still, you'll notice it in the morning. Another cool day tomorrow, but another day of sunshine. And then moderating temperatures for the weekend. So we'll exchange 50s for 60s during the day and exchange temperatures in the 30s and low 40s to near 50 for overnight lows. That's a big jump for the weekend, and we keep a good deal of sunshine, which is nice. So for tonight, there were more 30s in the forecast last night, a little bit less for tonight. 39 in Newport. For New Bedford, 42 in Newport, and 39 in Smithfield. We do it with clear conditions once again. And then tomorrow, sunshine, another cool day. Temperatures a lot like they were today, mid to upper 50s. Southwest winds about 5 to 15. It really, truly is a carbon copy of what we just had out there today. Sunshine, mid to upper 50s. A slight chance for a few locations farther east to maybe push 60 like in Plymouth. But overall, though, a nice day. It's got that fall feel, feels good. Get your iced coffees, get your warm coffees, whatever you want to do. Take a walk, enjoy some of the color. It's a great day tomorrow if you're lucky enough to have your Thursday off and be outside. If not, take a little lunch outside. Spend a little time, look at the beautiful colors and the beautiful blue sky, and it all is good. Leprechauns and rainbows. All right, Futurecast. We got clear conditions. We keep it tonight. And overall, just a really chilly night for a nice sunny day tomorrow. Futurecast, not much going on until we get to Thursday night into Friday when we see just a little cloud cover brush through the area. And if I'm looking that hard for something to talk about, you know the weather is really quiet. But the difference is Friday morning, you wake up, instead of 30s, you wake up to some 40s. And then in the afternoon, we have a much better chance to get to 60 degrees plus. And that's why it's setting up to be so nice, not just for Friday, but for the weekend. We dial up even a little bit more in the way of temperature, and we take those low 60s to the mid to upper 60s. They're your overnight lows, 40s to near 50. Tracking some rain for early next week. Right now, biggest question is it a washout or is it just some scattered light showers? I'm going to go Sunday night and then again Monday afternoon, Monday night. A lot more cloud cover next week. Temperatures, though, stay in the mid to upper 60s for your daytime highs. Tiffany.
Thanks, Jeff. To national headlines this afternoon at 4.